Angelina, ang ganda pala ng school mo.
Yaya, bring me down.
Ay, sorry.
Thank you, Yaya.
Ito naman. You're welcome, baby. O, sige na. Dalihan mo. Baka malit ka. O, dali mo na ito. Sige.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Hello? 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 Hello?
Okay, class, what do we get from trees? Yes, Angelina.
Fruits.
Very good, Angelina. Fruit.
Oh.
Fruit. Right. What else do we get from trees? Yes, Lester.
Paper. We get paper from trees.
That's correct, Angelina, but I called Lester, not you.
What's your sagot ba?
Paper?
Copying, Mom! Copy!
Paper, that's correct. Paper. Okay, class. Do you know where we get rubber? Huh? Tanya.
From rubber trees.
Very good, Tanya. Rubber trees. Okay. Angelina?
Oh.
Please pay attention. Ano bang ginagawa mo dyan?
Teacher Tanya shooting rubber band at me.
Teacher, I'm doing nothing here. She's lying.
Angelina, did you see her do it?
No. But
Angelina? Ay, nako, that's not right, ah. You don't just accuse anyone if you did not see them do it, okay?
okay, teacher.
Okay, go at the back and get the atlas book to show us where the rubber trees come from. Okay, go now. Going back, the rubber tree initially grew only in the Amazon rainforest. Do you know where the Amazon rainforest is? What country? Anyone? The Amazon rainforest is in Brazil. And Brazil is in... Angelina, what did you do?
Excuse me, teacher. What did I do? Did you see me do it?
No, but...
Diba you said, ay nako, that's not right. Next time, don't accuse anyone if you did not see them do it. Okay?
Okay, class, I'll see you tomorrow. Angelina, sumama ka sa akin sa principal's office. Now na.
Hi!
Uy, bakit?
Yaya, ano ba nangyari sa'yo? Bakit ka nakahubad? Humagat ka ba?
Hindi, napasabit lang.
Sigurado ka, wala kinalaman din si Angelina.
Uy, hindi bait-bait nga nung alaga ko eh. Tsaka aksidente lang ito, kasalanan ko rin. Ikaw ba? Bakit ba ang init-init ng dugo mo dyan sa alaga ko?
Yaya, bakit yan ang suot mo? Siya ba yan?
Nay, tumawag na ba si sir?
Hoy! Ay! Uy!
Hoy, ano ko?
Uy, ka ba yan, ha?
Mabuting dinala mo dito yan si Angelina.
Sunod-sunod na ang report ng mga ginawa mong perwisyo dito sa school. Una na riyan, ang aking basag na bintana.
But it's not my fault, Mr. Prince Epal.
It's principal, not Prince Epal. At ano yung sinasabi mong it's not your fault? Ikaw ang tinuro ng mga kaklase mo na bumato nito?
It's Brenda's fault. See, I got this rock, and I was gonna make it batoy to her. But she made ilag, so it hit the window. It got basag. It's not my fault.
Angelina. Sir, I think kailangan ho yata ni Angelina ng guidance at saka ng mga advice.
Hindi lang advice and guidance. Ang kailangan ng batang yan, matinding parusa. At ano naman masasabi mo, Angelina? Doon sa pinalo mo ng cellphone sa ulo?
Mr. Prince Epal,
Principal! Principal! It's not Prince Epal!
That's what I said. I can't use my cell phone. My classmate broke it. His ulo is so tigas, so my cell phone got broken. And my dad had to buy a new cell phone. It's so expensive. See, it's not my fault. It's his fault.
What? Ano? Miss Cruz, can you believe the reasoning of this kid?
Yun nga po, kaya nga ako kailangan niya ng guidance niyo eh.
Puro ka guidance, puro ka guidance. Ikaw ang pag-guidance dyan eh. Huh?
Sir, nandito na po yung si Alan Gomez.
Yan! Yan ang ginulpi ng batang ito.
Angelina, stop it.
Kumpirmado na po ang pagbisita sa bansa ng filantropong Duchess of Wellington. Ang nasabing royalty mula sa Inglaterra ay pupunta